Hello everyone. Do you want to create cinematic background music without any musical skills? Meet Ava, your personal AI composer. From epic orchestral scores to emotional ambience, Ava can create it all with just a few clicks. If you ever dreamed of making film style music for your videos, Ava AI is about to change the game. Today, I'll show you how to generate stunning cinematic soundtracks using Ava AI, fast, easy, and completely customizable. Let's turn your ideas into powerful music with the magic of AI. Welcome to Ava. So this is the website address aiva.ai. You can open this website by typing this address in your browser. So this is the overall interface of this website. First of all, we are going to create an account on this website. Account creation is free, so let's go for the create a free account. We will prefer to log in with our Google account, okay, because it will fetch all of our details in just a few clicks, and our account will be created. And then I will show you how you can create a cinematic background music with this amazing tool. So I will select my continue with the Google account, and I'll select my account here. Still continue. So you can see that I have selected my account, and now it's asked me to I agree to the terms and conditions. So I'll just click on create account to finalize my account creation at Ava AI. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Ava website for my account. Okay, so here we are going to create a track first. So we will click on the create a track here. Okay, so you will get a different option, like you can create a track with a prompt, or you can choose from a style, from a chord progression, step by step, from an influence. So let's try with the prompt first. So here you can see that when you click on this create button, this prompt section will open up, and it will get you to make a cinematic background music of time of 2 minutes 0 seconds. So let's say we want cinematic background music with piano and violin combination, and after that we will just hit the generate button and let's see the magic. Okay, but it's saying that this beta version is available in the paid version. Okay, so let's try the free version first. Okay, if you have that membership or the subscription, then you can use this feature. Okay, let's go back. So again I will click on this create a track, and with or let's go from a style. Okay, you will see a lot of style here, or you can also search for your style. And let's see, we want to go with the techno style, and I will just click on this create button. And here you can add your key signature, like you want to do any major or any minor. Let's see, we want to go for A major. Okay, and you can also select the duration. Let's say we want less than 30 seconds, and number of compositions, and it will generate to some multiple tracks. So let's say we want 2 tracks. Okay, so now just click on create track, and now it's creating the track. As you can see that it has just generated 2 tracks with the source of techno 2 and techno 3. Okay, and it's loading right now, and I will show you by playing these tracks. So as you can see that this composition has been generated. Let's play and check it. So as you can see that this composition is amazing, but if you want to do more changes to the same composition, you can go to the 3 dots, and you can open in editor and make the changes, like you want to change the major or want to add a minor. Okay, you are getting my point. Okay, so in this way you can use the editor and do some changes as you want, and after that you can download this background music and you can use it in your video. So that's all about Ava AI, how you can create a musical background for your videos. So that's all for today. I will catch you in the next video. Till then,